All right. Hey there. It's Collin, Fett, your agent, here with the July market update. Every month I come to you with the latest stats on what's going on in the market, whether you're looking to buy, sell, rent, invest. All this data is applicable to you. So let's dive right into the numbers here. Attached or below, I've got all this for you as well. A couple of interesting things going on. I'm going to start off just going through the numbers. So new listings, we're at 78. This is for the month of June in the city of Ames. Total for sale at the end of the month, we had 58 properties for sale. And total pending, we had 74 throughout the month that sold, went under contract. Year to date, we're at 328 sales, over 308 for the average sale price, and average days on market 23. We talk about absorption rate. We don't see it below a month very often, and we're at 0.92 of a month. So yeah, 23 days. And basically what that means is if there was no new inventory that came on the market, how many days would it take for the market to absorb all of the properties that are currently for sale? So the quicker it absorbs, the more of a seller's market. So right now, it's a bit of a lagging indicator because we're talking about the month of June. We're almost through July now. Sorry for the late update, by the way. The first couple of weeks of June, we had a ton of closings, so it's been crazy. But as you can see, the days on market has dropped, pretty significantly. We look last year. So interesting thing. So this is July 20. August 20, September. So this is right in the heat of COVID too, obviously. So we're coming around and we're going to be much lower for average days on market than what we were last year this time. So inventory wise, we're at 58 currently on the market, which is the lowest we've seen this year to date. And every month I'm talking about how low of inventory we have. 58 houses is not very many houses compared to last year, 170 the year before that, 211 the year before that, so significantly lower amount of inventory. And I think everyone's seeing that. Car dealerships, they're selling, they're getting them on the lot as soon as they can hit the lot, they're selling them. It's kind of the same thing. As soon as properties are hitting the market, they're selling. So now we are seeing a few less properties coming to the market. So May is in the 90s, upper 70s. We're at 74 this month. I would suspect we're starting to see it kind of tail off. Usually after the 4th of July, things start to slow down a bit. We're seeing a lot less showings on properties, a lot less number of offers. We're still seeing 2-3 offers on properties, but not as many. Typically, when we look at like August, so this is August, ranks the ninth out of 12 months. It's one of the slowest months when it comes to pending. So I would anticipate us to slow down and be in the 50 range like we've seen in 40s and 30s and 50 last year for pending sales. So I would suspect new listings as well will drop off a bit. So we look at August here. So August, we're in the 60s. We were at 63, 65 around there. So I'd suspect we have about 10 less listings come to the market and most likely about 20 less sales. So I would guess that there'll be a few more new coming to the market and a few less sales, meaning that it's going to kind of balance out, but it's still going to take a lot of months of, right now we're selling them as quick as, they're coming on the market. As you can see, we had, 54 sell or 74 sell and 70, let's see, June 78. So 74 sold. So there's only 4 that didn't sell, if they all sold. So I would suspect that this next month might have a few that stick around and potentially have that market inventory creep back up. Hard to say. Like I said, active wise, we're way below what we were last year and historically. So I think no matter what, when you look at price brackets, there's still a low amount of inventory in certain price brackets. So even if the market cools down a little bit here in the dog days of summer, quote unquote, people are taking trips and whatever, I think it's still going to be more, a lot, still competitive, still few days on the market and still getting in good prices. So moral of the story is looking to buy now might be the best time of the year to buy unless you wait till like winter for not having to compete, not having to get too crazy. with multiple offers and way over asking price kind of things. And looking to sell, I mean, it's still a crazy, market that there's only 58 houses on the market. So there's still a lot of people looking for houses. So as always, I'm here, your trusted agent, and would love to help if you got questions, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest.